Guys, what's up? It's Philip with Trade Genius. I want to do another video. Every so often I like to do a video that kind of gives you a perspective of where we are, big picture with crypto. And that's what I want to do on this video. And it's going to be very bullish for cryptos. So let's get into it.
Trade Genius.
All right, so this is basically a year chart of, this is from CoinMarketCap, but this is showing you what the 24-hour volume is. So this is a daily chart of price and volume. And so if we go back 1 year, we're at 24-hour volume of 269,390,000. The price back then was $1,222. So that's roughly 220,000 Bitcoin in volume, 24-hour period. Fast forward to today, and you have now a 24-hour volume of $7,119,940,000 in dollar terms, and the average price of Bitcoin is 8,900. So that translates into over 800,000 Bitcoins. So if you go from roughly 220,000 Bitcoins to approximately 840,000 Bitcoins in daily volume, that's an increase of a bit more than 260%. So this is not the April that we had last year. Crypto is now 2.5 times more prevalent in volume. And that's a big deal. And the reason for this is because, like we've been saying, all of these funds are coming now online and trading this stuff, and there's big implications. I mean, there is just a phenomenal amount of money that's coming into this space. And the reason why I want to pound this point home is because we all have a chance to take part in one of the greater booms that's upon us. But don't take my word for it. I mean, if you just look at some of the headlines, you look at, here's an article by Autonomous Next, and they have crypto funds by inception. 2011 you had 1, 2013 a couple more, 8 more, 4 more, 11 more, and then 2017, boom, you got 84 funds that are going to specialize in trading crypto. Now it's over 100 funds now and growing, and these guys are going to be, they're already getting active, and they're going to really start getting active here in 2018, and believe me, they already are. You can take a look at this article. Goldman is setting up a cryptocurrency trading desk. I mean, guys, these are the big guys. This is the smart money that's getting into this space, and it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that this is going to have major bullish implications. China, they're gonna back a $1 billion blockchain fund. Now, China, their MO is ban and then unban, ban and unban. I'm sure there's a strategy there for those guys in the elite class to accumulate while making it difficult for the rest of the Chinese to get it. Although I have had friends go over there and tell me that they're just, most Chinese are working around it and they're still trading crypto. But when they officially lift that ban, watch out. And that's why we like to have some Asia exposure in our portfolios. George Soros, right? If you guys are paying attention to the crypto news, that came out a little while ago, and they're looking to get into it. Rockefeller-backed venture capital firm, which is Venrock, they're getting into it. So the point being, guys, is that we are really looking at a huge influx of money that's going to come into this space. It's not only going to affect Bitcoin, it's going to affect any viable cryptocurrency or altcoin, that has a legitimate use case is going to be really going to have a positive effect from this stuff. So all this stuff about Bitcoin going to zero and stuff, it's just not happening, guys, and it's going to go higher. I mean, if you look at the daily chart, we'll just do a really quick analysis on Bitcoin, and then we'll leave it there. But big picture, we've come down, we've made this bottom, and we're grinding up, and eventually, and keep in mind, this time last year is when things really started to go up. Just keep holding. I think things are you're just in the very early innings of this game, and I think things are very bullish. And don't let all the FUD and stuff like that get in the way of messing up your strategy of holding. And if you're more of a swing trader, I think this volatility is going to return that we saw that was so good for swing trading. I think the bottom is in, and I think we're going to see much higher valuations over the next 2 months for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto space. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Trade Genius.